Welcome everyone. The topic of this video is chromosomal abnormalities under genetic disorders of lesson principles of inheritance and variation. Each human diploid body cell has 46 chromosomes or 23 pairs. Chromosomal disorders are caused by errors in the number or structure of chromosomes. Chromosomal anomalies usually occur when there is an error in cell division. Failure of chromatids to segregate during cell division resulting in the gain or loss of one or more chromosomes is called as aneuploidy. Aneuploidy is caused by non-disjunction of chromosomes. Group of signs and symptoms that occur together and characterize a particular abnormality is called as a syndrome. In humans, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, KLINEFELTER syndrome, PATAU syndrome are some of the examples of chromosomal disorders. Autosomal aneuploidy in human beings. This is caused in the body cells. Several autosomal aneuploidies have been reported in human beings. Example, Down syndrome, commonly known as the 21st trisomy, and PATAU syndrome, 13th trisomy, happen to be autosomal aneuploidy in man. Down syndrome or trisomy 21. Trisomic condition of chromosome 21 results in Down syndrome. Here in this picture, the number of chromosomes of man is shown, out of which 22 pairs happen to be the body chromosome or autosome, and the last 23rd pair is known as the allosome or the sex chromosome. Here in autosome chromosome number 21, an extra chromosome is seen and hence results in 3 chromosomes. So this condition is known as trisomic 21, which results in Down's syndrome. Down syndrome is characterized by severe mental retardation, defective development in the case of the central nervous system, increased separation between eyes, flattened nose and ears are malformed. Mouth is constantly opened and the tongue gets protruded. The next is PATAU syndrome or trisomy 13. Trisomic condition of chromosome 13 results in PATAU syndrome. Meiotic non-disjunction is thought to be the cause for this chromosomal abnormality. Instead of 2 chromosomes in 13, one additional chromosome is seen and hence results in PATAU syndrome. PATAU syndrome is characterized by multiple and severe body malformations as well as profound mental deficiency. Small head with small eyes, cleft palate, malformation of the brain and the internal organs are some of the symptoms of this syndrome. Allosomal abnormalities in human beings. Mitotic or meiotic non-disjunction of sex chromosomes causes allosomal abnormalities. Several sex chromosomal abnormalities have been detected. Example, Klinefelter syndrome and Turner's syndrome. The first one is Klinefelter syndrome. Usually this is known as XXY males. This genetic disorder is due to the presence of an additional copy of X chromosome resulting in a karyotype of 47. So instead of 46 number of chromosome, one additional chromosome is seen in this males. So XXY. Persons with this syndrome have 47 chromosomes, which is 44 autosomes plus 3 sex chromosomes, which is happen to be 2 X chromosomes and 1 Y chromosome. Here the autosomes are quite normal by the presence of 44 number of chromosomes, whereas the last 23rd pair is happen to be the sex chromosome. In this case, there are 3 chromosomes, 2X and 1 Y chromosome. Thus, 3 chromosomes are seen in the sex chromosome that leads to the Klinefelter syndrome. The symptoms for Klinefelter syndrome happen to be usually they are sterile males, tall, obese with long limbs and high-pitched voice, underdeveloped genitalia and have feeble breast development, which is also called as gynecomastia. The second is happen to be Turner syndrome. Usually this is called as XO females. This genetic disorder is due to the loss of a X chromosome resulting in a karyotype of 45. So instead of 46 number of chromosomes in this human being, one chromosome is seen less, so thus number of chromosomes happen to be 45 in them, leads to the Turner syndrome. So persons with this syndrome have 45 chromosomes, 44 autosomes and only one X chromosome. That is 44 autosomes plus only one sex chromosome which is happen to be X is seen, and they are sterile females. So here the autosomes are quite normal as usual, 44 in number, whereas the sex chromosome instead of 2 only one X chromosome is seen because of this one X chromosome, which leads to the Turner syndrome. The symptoms of Turner syndrome are low stature, webbed neck, underdeveloped breast, rudimentary gonads, lack of menstrual cycle during puberty are the main symptoms of this syndrome. With this, the topic is getting over. Regarding the next topic, we'll see in the next video. Thank you.